Okay, so basically, that's all I have to say. It's so pretty. Okay, I was told to try this, and this is, look how pretty it is. And so I was told to try this, and I was kind of skeptical because I don't, as I said, I don't wear foundation. I usually wear BB cream, and it's like drugstore BB cream, so. But I fell in love with how nice it looked on my skin, and I have like dry and oily skin. So we'll see. This is me without no makeup. She cute, but today we're gonna cover her up. By her, I mean my pimples. So yeah. Okay, so so it basically goes on, right? Looks like I'm wearing sunscreen. You're like, how could this possibly blend with my skin? But the cool thing is it completely matches your skin tone. Here, I'm just gonna show you guys. Look at that. What? What? That's so cool. Okay. I feel like I'm washing my face. Okay, now that I've rubbed it in with my fingies, it doesn't look like I'm wearing foundation, which is good because I don't like how foundation looks. It's like BB cream on crack, honestly. Like, it's really amazing. But I mean, like, for someone who doesn't know a lot about makeup, looks like I did a pretty good job, and I'm not just gonna say that was on me. I mean, when you got good products. Okay, so I'm just finishing up my makeup. I can't imagine going back to drugstore BB cream at this point, but I just want to say, for someone who isn't like a makeup expert, so imagine how good this would be for makeup experts, it looks really good, and I just want to say, like, I highly, highly, highly recommend. This shows that even like people who don't know what they're doing, I like to think I look good. I don't know. Get it. I feel like a YouTuber. I'm such a catfish, oh my god.